Hi guys, this is Andrew, and today we'll be reviewing the XP Pen 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. It is a premium drawing tablet used by artists, and this is my review on it. Anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. Unboxing the tablet includes the tablet, a stand, the pen, cables, a glove, but this is optional, but I'll be using the adapter. Before we focus on the tablet, let's talk about the comparisons between the Wacom 16 and the XP Pen 1516. The price on the 1516 originally cost $370, but during this time of the video, it now costs $277.49, and the Cintiq costs $800. Alright, for the color, the XP Pen has an 84% Adobe RGB, while the Cintiq 16 has a 75% Adobe RGB. It has a wider color gamut than the 16, but you have to calibrate it yourself. The Pen is a lot more thinner and lighter and a lot more flexible. It's heavier and much more durable than the XP Pen. Installing it takes a couple of minutes to complete, but it's actually really simple. All you have to do is search up XP Pen 15.6 driver. Click on the link, select your preferred software. I'm gonna go with Windows. Click download, install the driver, and you're done. The feel of the tablet is very smooth. The pen glides along the screen very freely, allowing for and light strokes to made easily. The surface of the screen allows for easy pen movement without the pen getting caught on any surface residue. There is no need to press down so heavily on the screen to make strokes. Just a light touch works. There is no struggle in using the pen or having to use force or pressure. It's all very movement friendly and quick. Overall, the XP Pen 5.6 is a good premium tablet at a very good price. It has an amazing feel to it, easy to set up, customizable, and etc. Here are the credits, and thanks for watching.